Ice caps are melting. Oceans are rising. More massive storms mean more devastating floods. Hi, Phil Swift here for the FlexSeal family of flood protection products. A new innovation in flood protection specifically designed to help you protect your home or business from damaging floodwaters. To show you the incredible sealing power of our flood protection products, we built this entire house and sealed up every gap, crack, and hole using our flood protection products. Windows and doors, seams and thresholds, crawl spaces, basement windows, vents and ducts, garage doors, or other areas water may enter. Our flood protection products are specifically designed to work together in order to create multiple layers of super strong protection. Once everything is dry and sealed, let's open the floodgates. That water is rising fast, but our flood protection products are holding tight. And when used in combination with one another, they'll create a powerful force field of protection that can hold back water. A lot of water. Just take a look around. All these windows, doors, seams, and openings have all been sealed up tight, holding back all that water while protecting your home and valuables. Look, every structure is different. Depending on age and type of construction, there may be areas that can't be seen or sealed, so it's impossible to stop all floods every single time. But our flood protection products, they can help. They can help by slowing down or even stopping water from entering your home or business. That water is 3 feet high, and the inside is staying dry. And when the waters recede, our flood protection products are completely removable. Not only will they seal out the elements and help protect your home or business from damaging floodwaters, but our advanced high-tech formula is specifically designed to be removed. They come off fast and easy. So after the floods pass, you can open up fast. Now there's a new way to protect your home or business from damaging floodwaters. Get the removable FlexSeal family of flood protection products.